Are you ready to say goodbye to your Facebook posts? In this video, I'll show you how to delete all of your posts on Facebook with just a few simple steps. Whether you're wanting to start fresh or simply clean up your profile, in this video I will show you how to do it. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to delete all of your posts on Facebook. First of all, let's open up the Facebook mobile application and then tap on your profile picture icon at the top left of the screen to go to your Facebook profile. Once you are on your Facebook profile, tap on these three little dots and a menu will appear. From this menu, tap on the activity log. So now what you want to do next is tap on Manage Your Posts, and it will show you all of the posts that you have ever posted on your Facebook account. So in order to delete all of these posts at once, tap on All. And after you select all of your Facebook posts, simply tap on the Trash button at the bottom right of the screen. And then tap on Move to Trash. Now you have successfully deleted all of your Facebook posts at once. So let's go back to my profile and see how it looks. As you can see, only the profile pictures and cover photos are left on my profile, and you can delete those manually. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.